Welcome to Qimen Dunjia, Bazi Destiny. Today I'm going to talk about this particular symbol related to something called problem star. Problem star in Chinese we call Tian Xing. So when you have this particular Tian Xing in your this Bazi chart itself, this represents somebody who is very easygoing, somebody who is humble, and somebody can be quite stubborn also. However, this kind of people or this group of people basically is very focused in something related to spiritual, something related to religious. So if they were to go into this particular industry, then they'll be very suitable and they will be very interested in. So in the event that let's say if your chart in Qimen Dunjia has this particular star called the problem star in your chart, which is called the day stamp, then in the event that you want to venture into metaphysics, something spiritual, something helping in terms of religious, you will be very interested and you will have that good potential in it. So this is the overall information related to somebody who has this problem star, which is also called the Tian Rui star. Okay?